How to trade on capital.com. Basically, just a beginner tutorial. So, capital.com pretty much lets you enter markets like stocks, forex, indices, crypto, and commodities via contracts for differences. So, meaning you speculate on price movements without actually owning the actual asset. So, it's important to know that CFD trading can carry some risk. Losses can exceed deposits, but of course that is normal when it comes to trading. But if you want to go ahead and start trading, you're gonna have to get yourself an account first. So go ahead with the process. It shouldn't take too long actually, less than your expected time, and you can also go ahead and complete your registration as well. You can do this both inside the app or just directly in your website. Pretty much depends on your preference. So once you have your account, register yourself. That way you can actually do some trades. But it's better to go for a demo account first, like what I'm doing over here. But the main idea is to first, since you are still a beginner, you can go ahead and explore the interface. So you have everything here on the left, the all alerts, calendar, reports, your portfolio, charts, discovery, and the most important part, the trade section where pretty much everything happens. So you have AMC over here, silver, from your crude oil to gold, pretty much the options that you can see. So you have the sell and buy option directly. So you also have the chart here in the very bottom and some tools you can go ahead and explore and use. So once you have logged in, explore the interface. So once you've pretty much explored and got yourself to know the dashboard, you can pretty much start learning how trading works. So before placing real trades, you understand the basics like buying and selling, the most common lingo you're gonna know. So you expect price to rise, so go ahead and buy. Selling, you expect prices to fall, pretty much depends. Another thing you could put in mind is that capital.com lets you control a larger position as well with smaller capitals, but it does increases your risk. But eventually you should be able to follow up with what capital.com can actually do. So it also provides an in-app education, market news, and chart tools to pretty much just help beginners learn. So finally, once you've learned everything, you can start funding your account directly over here. You can top up yourself. So once you have topped up, you can start with your first trade. So directly done here in your dashboard. So manage your trades once you've done that. Basically, the helpful features you can put in mind is that there is a demo trading, so practice without risking real money. There are chart tools you can go ahead and use, so you can view price charts and patterns. Risk management, so always consider stop loss and take profit. Educational hub as well, you can go ahead and try using. Here's live chat if you want, and news and analysis. So over there you can see market updates that may affect prices. But that's basically the main idea on how you could trade on capital.com. Usually lots of learning involved, but hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.